All right, y'all. We're in the Austin, Texas airport. This AI coffee thing's gonna make me a coffee with no human. Let's try it. Nice coffee. They got lots of options. Let's go with iced. Sure, Americano.
Because I called
within their work.
I was very It's a desk.
Oh, that's cool.
This thing's making me coffee.
I know, that's
It's creepy.
Yeah.
But hey, if it gets views on TikTok, I don't care what it is.
Southwest Flight 23432 Tulsa. We are currently boarding at gate 14. Please make your way to gate 14.
Like this could already been done if it was a real person.
This is true.
Enjoy.
See, girl pots are not always his jewelry.
Was für eine? Okay, was für eine? Lemonade. Ich will aber keine Lemonade.
I get a lid.
Attention to Terminal Service One boarding announcement for Southwest Airlines Flight 2343 non-stop service to Tulsa. All taking confirmed passengers should be on board gate 14 at this time. Once again, final boarding announcement, Southwest Airlines Flight 2314 at this time.
Sorry, but hell to the no. Hold on. Let's try to put some creamer in it. The coffee is nasty. Y'all need to get your coffee straight here.